Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix death wobble in your Dodge Ram. This unsettling issue, characterized by violent shaking of the front end, can be quite alarming. We will go through a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve it. First, safely park your truck on a level surface and begin a careful visual inspection of all front-end components. Look for anything obviously loose, bent, or broken, paying close attention to the steering and suspension. This initial step is crucial for pinpointing potential culprits. Next, let's focus on the steering components, which are frequent causes of death wobble. The track bar is a primary suspect. Carefully check its bushings and mounting bolts for any signs of wear or looseness. Even a millimeter of play can contribute to the problem. Then, inspect your tie rod ends. With the wheels off the ground, try to move them by hand. Any noticeable play indicates wear. Finally, ensure your steering stabilizer is in good condition and securely attached, as it helps dampen vibrations. Now we move to the suspension system. Ball joints are critical. Lift the front wheels and use a pry bar to check for vertical or horizontal play. Even a small amount of movement, perhaps 1/8 of an inch, can be problematic. Also, carefully inspect your control arm bushings for cracks or deterioration, as these can allow unwanted movement. Lastly, ensure your wheel bearings are tight and smooth, without any grinding or excessive play, as they contribute to overall stability. After addressing any worn parts, the final steps are crucial for a lasting fix. First, confirm your tires are correctly balanced and inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, typically around 35 to 45 pounds per square inch for many trucks. Then, it is highly recommended to have a professional alignment performed. This ensures all angles are set correctly, preventing uneven tire wear and maintaining stability. Regular inspections of your front end will help catch potential issues early, keeping your Ram driving smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.